This right here is the thermostat. When you want the heat on, you have heat on, and you're gonna want to go up or down. It's just like a thermostat in your home. It shows your current temperature, the temperature that you're going for and the current temperature. So right now the heat is on and it will heat up the space up to the desired temperature. This button right here is your water pump. Without the pump on, you have no water pressure. When you turn the pump on, you'll hear the pump going in the background there, and then the water works. Without the hot water switch on, it won't provide hot water, of course, and the hot water will also work the back shower, which is out the back doors. The last thing to understand up here is that you're going to have your lights. You're going to want to turn those off, and then there's dimmers. You do have other lights. We've installed reading lights, all LED. There's a reading light here. There's a reading light right there. And one light that's nice for cooking is just a touch activated light, which is here.